We are the Group 1!
I am Cedric Itadoy.
Ispaltero Milfrey. I am Miggy Cariao.
I'm Jane Apolinario.
I am Crystal Sinsumura. I am Mary Faye Munya. Stephanie Claire Binayao.
And this is our instructional materials, histogram charts. This chart is present the percentage of different perspective in literacies such as social, global, and multicultural.
In integrating these literacies to our instructional materials in our topic percentage, so we can integrate social literacies by collaborating students in a given activity. Next is multicultural and global literacies, which we can integrate it by presenting the perspective of literacies which are makita niyo diri as amo ang chart nga racism awareness, ethnic diversity, religious tolerance, and cultural sensitivity. We can integrate this topic to our instructional materials to present the percentage of different groups.
To use these instructional materials, first the teacher will give a different colors that present the percentage of different perspective literacies. So pink is for ethnic diversity, and then blue is for religious tolerance, and yellow is for racism awareness, and lastly is red for cultural sensitivity. Next is the students will analyze and determine the percentage of different perspective literacies. When they are done analyzing and determining, the students will get the percentage, and then after that they will attach those percentage in this blank chart. And after that, the students will share their knowledge or understanding about the topic.
So good day everyone. So our topic for today is to get the percentage of different perspective literacies using histogram chart. So first is I will divide you into two groups. The group 1 and group 2. So next is you will analyze and determine the percentage using this chart. After that, if you done analyzing and determining the percentage, you will get a percentage here in the percentage box, which is 10%. Then you will attach here in histogram chart. After determining and analyzing the percentage, the group na makauna sa atuang activity will present their insight and understanding. So I will give you two minutes to determine and analyze the data, the percentage of each perspective. Sir, nanan ready yan? Okay.
Uy, mag-iinit mo ka. Ituhod ang naka-green nga ako. Naka-green na dami na ako. Naka-green na dami na ako.
Dalit ang dunong.
Anak! Dati, hindi naman sila. Ay, sila. Ethnic sa Ako sa religious tolerance ay
3.
30.
No.
30 lagi na, yung 20 sa cultural kuan.
Then time lang. 30 yung blue. Ngayon, mga naman ang idea. Ito ka ba sa dalo yung mga
Dala yan.
20%
20.
20%.
Okay, so let's give a Darna clap to our
Bro, to.
yeah! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ding! Ang bato, Darna! 1, 2, ready, go! Darna! Okay, very good. So, the representative of Brookto will give
Nami
different
prize.
understanding sa topic na to is today. Okay.
So,
Nami prize.
my understanding about perspective literacies about sa aming chart, ang recessive awareness nag-fill up sa 40%, then sa ethnic diversity 10%, religious tolerance 30%, cultural sensitivity 20%. So 10% lang siya ga diversity with regrowth. So there is a religious tolerance, naka-fill up siya 30%, which is gamay-gamay lang siya sa recessive nga naman. Kung sa'yo mo dyan is talang naiban niya, kaya force na nila mga budget ituhan, budget yan, dapat ko ano ko kay Marintinan, pero dili na ito pabutan ng tao kung asa siya. Budget na yung pagto, which is kita is lahi magtawag kalawasan. Diba? So dili na sa cultural sensitivity, so we need to aware po ta sa lahi culture, kaya lahi pag-culture ka nag-no, kada, for example, sa inyo na draan, lahi mo kultura, lahi mo nagdiriya, so mo nang lahi cultural sensitivity, dapat po, be aware ka kay wala ta kabalo kasi ila is nindot na para sa imo lain dili na pud nato sila gusto na dapat ana kay sa kanta lang ang sir.
Let's give clap for Okay, so this is a ground chart present a percentage of each perspective literacies, which you can see in this chart. So 40% for racism awareness, 10% for ethnic diversity, 30% for religious tolerance, and 20% for cultural sensitivity, which they kanang makita niyo dili asa to ang chart. That's all for today. Thank you, class.